Dear students, Namaste. Today we'll discuss the topic antibiotics. According to PCI syllabus in pharmaceuticals chemistry 2, the name of the topic is antibiotics, which is high weightage topic compared to previous chemotherapeutic agents. So, what do we mean by antibiotics? What are the different class drugs are examples of antibiotics and what are the different structures of some antibiotics. First, what are the learning outcomes of the today's topic, that is antibiotics? After completion of the topic, learner or student will be able to define and classify antibiotics with examples. Then draw the structure of various antibiotics, that is broad spectrum, narrow spectrum antibiotics, beta lactam and non-beta lactam antibiotics. Then recall the properties with their storage conditions and understand the uses and official definition with the brand names of different antibiotics. So these are the 4 important learning outcomes. After completion of this topic, students or learner will be able to achieve these all 4 outcomes. So first, what do we mean by antibiotics? Are the chemical substance which is produced by various species of microorganism which is in low concentration destroy or inhibit the growth of factor species of microorganisms. The definition is very simple. It is produced from various chemical substances or organism and destroy or inhibit the growth of other species of microorganisms. There are the 2 types of antibiotics. One is the narrow spectrum and another is the broad spectrum antibiotics. So according to nomenclature of the antibiotics, how they nomenclate according to their microorganism, where it is performed, which lab, then according to from the movie name, then the person name and the suffixes. These are the different types. By using these points, we will nomenclate the name of the antibiotics, like streptomycin, which is organized from microorganism, then nystatin, which is from laboratory. Likewise, all these antibiotics come to their different forms. Then next, classification antibiotics. First class is the beta lactam, containing examples benzyl penicillin, phenoxymethyl penicillin is also called as penicillin B, cephaloridine and cephalosporin. Second class, non-beta lactam antibiotics. Example, like first class is tetracycline. Example is chlortetracycline and oxytetracycline. Second, aminoglycoside antibiotics. Example is streptomycin, neomycin, zinc-tamycin. Number 3 is macrolide antibiotics. Example is erythromycin. Number 4 is nesamycin. Example is rifamycin. Fifth one is choline macrolide antibiotics. Example is nystatin and hemicin. Sixth one is anthracycline antibiotics. Example is actinomycin and nonamicin. Seventh one is peptide antibiotics. Example is vasopressin. Eighth one is steroidal antibiotics. Acid. Number 9 is nucleoside antibiotics. Example is uromycin. Number 10 is non-classified antibiotics. These are the all class containing class of antibiotics. According to that class wise, different examples are very important classification for the example. First, chemistry of penicillin. This is the beta lactam ring is fused with 5-membered ring containing sulfur and nitrogen. The name of that ring is thiazolidine. So, basic structure of penicillin: fused ring with beta lactam and thiazolidine. So how to number the structure? What is the name of the structure? Let's see. First, you number the structure According to our nomenclature, we number first, that is the sulfur, second, third, number 4 is nitrogen, and fifth one, then 6 and 7. So this is the basic structure of penicillin. According to this, there is a presence of two methyl group at position number 2, one carboxylic acid group at position number 3. There is a presence of oxygen at position number 7, and very important substitutes which is present in this carbon number 6. This presence of acyl side chain, but here is the R, that R containing different substitutes groups. We replace this R with different. So name of this thing is pena. Okay. So first structure is benzyl penicillin. If you see the diagram of the structure carefully, so this is the phenam ring. According to IUPAC name, just a number that structure first: 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, and 7. Then side chain numbering 1, 2. Substitutes presence at position number 6. The name of that is 2-phenyl ethinyl amine. Phenam ring at basic nucleus. There is presence of 2 methyl group at the position number 2 and 1 carboxylic acid at the position number 3. The chemical name of the structure of benzyl penicillin is 6 into bracket 2-phenyl ethinyl amino bracket complete 2,2-dimethyl phenam 3 carboxylic acid. Very important structure for the exam point. So similar, next structure is penicillin V. It is also called as phenoxyethoxypenicillin. Here is the structure of penicillin. If you see the diagram, there is presence of, if you see the structure, there is presence of phenam ring. Just the substitutes present at number 6, but there is a very simple difference. There is presence of O and phenyl ring. So the chemical name of the structure is 2-methoxyethinyl amino. Full chemical name of the penicillin V is 6 into bracket 2-phenoxyethinyl amino bracket complete 2,2-dimethyl phenam 3 carboxylic acid. Okay, 6. Here is the position number 6. There is the presence of 2-phenoxy. 2-phenoxy is the basic nucleus, and there is a presence of ethinyl amino group, that is C double bond OCH2 and NH indicates ethinyl group and amino group. And there is a presence of 2,2-dimethyl at carbon number 2nd and number 3 containing COOH, that is carboxylic acid. The basic nucleus is 8. So the chemical name here, prepare for your exam, which is very important stuff. Now next is the penicillin. So this is the structure of penicillin. Substitutes present at position number 6 containing alpha amino group is the presence of one phenyl ring and CH. So the chemical name is 6 into bracket 2 amino 2 phenyl 2 amino 2 phenyl ethinyl amino bracket complete 2,2-dimethyl 3 carboxylic acid, and the basic nucleus is very simple. We focused compare all these structures like penicillin V, ampicillin, and penicillin G or benzyl penicillin. All structures containing the substitutes present at only position number 6. Remaining all phenam structure is common to all. So next, what are the chemical properties of this structure? Then uses, preparations, brand names. Very important for exam point of view. Second drug is penicillin V. Properties, uses, preparations, and the brand names of this drug. Next one is ampicillin. Properties, uses, brand names. Okay. This is all about the 3 structures and free antibiotics. Now we move towards the next broad spectrum antibiotics. Name of that antibiotic is chloramphenicol. This is the structure of chloramphenicol. According to IUPAC name, just number the straight line chain first. Three carbon atoms containing two OH groups. There is a presence of NHCOCH Cl2. So 2 dichloro acetamide at position 2. That's why 2 dichloroacetamide. Then there is the presence of nitro groups on the phenyl ring. So at position number 4 containing para-nitrophenyl. There is the presence of 3 carbon straight line indicates in red color. So the name of the structure is propane 1,3. Why 1,3-diol? Because OH group present at 1 and 3. So 1,3-diol. And there is a name of the structure chloramphenicol. Its chemical name is 2-dichloroacetamide 1 into bracket para-nitrophenyl bracket complete propane 1,3-diol. I hope very simple structure of chloramphenicol. You easily understand the structure and try to practice this for example. Next, what are different properties of chloramphenicol? Uses: generally all antibiotics are used in treatment of infectious diseases or in the treatment of fever, typhoid, tetanus, meningitis, but here the chloramphenicol used in typhoid, urinary tract infection, eye infection, meningitis, skin infection. These are the uses of this. For the preparations, it is available in eardrop, ointments, capsule, injection, suspension. Brand names: there is presence of brand names is chloromethicillin and chlorostrin. This is all about the chloramphenicol. The next important structure is tetracycline. These are the properties. Uses: plague, cholera, syphilis, gonorrhea, meningitis, urinary tract infection, that is UTI, rickettsia infection. For all type of diseases, we can use this tetracycline for treat such a type of diseases. Preparations available in tablet form, eye ointment, capsule, injection. The brand names for tetracycline. These are the brand names of tetracycline. So this is the detail about in exam frequently asked questions. Write the uses and preparation of tetracycline. So prepare from this slide for your exam. Okay. So these are the question bank frequently asked questions in the exam. Define and classify antibiotics with example. Draw the structure with chemical name of following antibiotics like penicillin V, G, ampicillin, chloramphenicol. Then give the properties, uses, brand name, official information of the all following antibiotics. So this is the all about the antibiotics. We read these all questions carefully and you back this video, you easily got the all answers of these questions. So I hope you understand all the topic of antibiotic. If any doubt, any queries, you can ask me on my provided mail address or my personal WhatsApp. Thank you for patience listening. Thank you.